Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Tuesday. Today I'm going to be doing a little craft with me session. If you guys remember, I got some metal dies from InLoveArtShop and I just got like a couple of frames. These are super cute. I also got like these nesting dies, some lace dies, some tag dies. I'll leave the video link down below for you guys in case you haven't checked out so you guys can see the haul. I also shared with you guys some samples of what those dies look like, but today I'm actually going to be making two Valentine's Day cards and I want you guys to join me in the process. So if you guys are in the mood for crafting, go ahead and grab your supplies, grab your coffee or whatever it is you want to drink, and let's go ahead and get started. So I thought it would be fun just to do a little craft with me session. I did make the cards itself already, just, you know, because it's very basic and to save some time, so I'll just show you really quick. I had a lot of extra little like paper left over. These are like all my leftovers from like my TNs that I did and little projects that I did. So I like to use these up as much as I can because I don't like to throw them away. And whatever I don't use I will definitely save for next year. But basically what I did was I just took two of these. So let's say this one right here, right? And let's say I want to pair it with this one. So I just cut it down. These are already pretty much sized. I think this is like 6 inches. Let's see what it says right here. It's a little over 6 inches, so I basically just cut it down to 6 inches just to make it a nice even 6-inch card. And then what I did was I just added glue. Well, I cut off that piece that I don't need, and then I just added some glue. You know what, let's just do it together just to show you guys. It's going to be very, very simple. And let's go ahead and measure out, and then that's 6 inches right there, and then 6 inches there. And here I have my little paper trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and do it right there. I don't feel good, so I have like a massive headache today, so in case you guys like hear that I'm like very quiet or feel a little low, that's because I have a massive headache. Alright, so then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add my adhesive. And I like to just use what I have and do minimal cutting. So I'm going to leave this the size it is as far as the width goes. Let's just add some glue to this, you know, because we want to make sure that it stays nice and double-sided and it doesn't go anywhere. Let's do one more here. And then we're going to go ahead and add this one down, just like that. Oh, I added glue to the top. And there we go, right? So now I'm going to cut this piece off. If you want to save it, you can always fold it down, but you don't have to. Let's go ahead and cut it. Hopefully it doesn't give me an issue because I added adhesive there. Oh, perfect. So now this is trash, right? And here we have our card. So now basically what I did was I just folded down. Let's see, which way do I want to. I think I'm going to leave the main print in the front. Actually, no. Let's go ahead and just fold it this way. So just kind of roll it over. Roll it to give it that bendy. And then just go ahead and bend. Fold it down. Now, you can leave it like that or you can cut it. So like for example, this one I cut it down a little bit more because I already know what I'm going to put in the front. And it's skinny, so I didn't need all that wide room. For this one, I left it as is because I'm going to be using a bigger front. So I can always cut this down if I want to. I'm just going to cut it a little bit. Just like that. And there we go. So as you can see, it's, you know, really simple. That's a really fast and easy way to do a double-sided card. It's a little over 5.5. This one is 6 inches by 6 inches. Oh, that was perfect. And then this one is a little over 5 inches. So yes. So now we have 3 cards, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my washi tape. And I pulled out this red glittery one because I thought it would be fun to add a nice little red border. I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating. So I do have little plastic bags that will be nice to package the cards once I'm done. But I did cut a few of my little dies. This one is, oh, I think I left it over there. But I think I wanted to use this one over here. Look at how cute that would look. And I did bring my foam, so that way, in case I want to, you know, 3D layer and add a little bit more to it, I can. So now the only tricky part is making sure I'm staying like straight. So there we go. And then I have my little box of supplies that I want to use. I have little Polaroids that I thought I can use. That one says beautiful. So I think I'm just going to use, oh, that would be kind of cute to like layer. This is one that I already did, so I could do that too. Maybe like put it in the middle. What do I want to do? I kind of like this one. It's the same print, so I kind of like that it has a different border to it, and if I 3D foam it, I think it'll just look a lot better. So I think I am going to use it. It just says XOXO and it has the little heart. And here's my 3D foam. I'm just going to go ahead and add some to it. The middle and then to the bottom. Alright, perfect. So let's go ahead and pop this on here, just like that. Look at how cute that is. I love that. I like that it has the little border. Oh, I should probably move it a little bit over. Just like that. There we go. Now it looks even, right? Isn't that really cute? I love that. So then one thing you can do is add a piece of like regular cardstock. Like for example, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put this regular cardstock on there. That way I can write my little message on here. and then the pen won't blur into the background. So it'll look really cute. If you want to round the corners, you can definitely do that. But I'm just going to leave them as is. So we're going to go ahead and put this right here as best as possible. Right? Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is probably add a little stamp, and then maybe I'll add a little piece of decor right here. These are the little Polaroids. Oh yeah, that's cute. Alright, so I have this glue right here. This is from Michaels. You just kind of press down, rub. Just like that. This is good for like little tiny pieces like this. And I actually wanted to pick up another one because I really like it. Sorry about that. I had to finish adding it because the glue was dry and my puppy was barking a lot. But alright, so now that we have that, I'm going to add just a little piece of decor right here. So I'm going to add this heart to bring out the red. Right there where it says love always. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this XOXO right here. Perfect. So this one says like and it has a thumbs up, but I just I layered it because I just like that layered look. And then that's a really cute like little look for it. If you want to add something right here, you can always do that. These are, by the way, the Polaroid frame dies from InLoveArts. And yeah, so that's what that looks like really quick. I'm just gonna do a quick stamp on here. I also got an acrylic block from InLoveArts, and Maritza had sent me this ink a while back, and these someone sent me to me from the Dollar Tree, so I thought, why not put the little hello? Okay. So we'll put this on there. I think that's how it goes. Then we'll put that just like that. This one doesn't need a lot of ink because it definitely drops a lot of ink, so. Oh. Ah, I think it's gonna be backwards. Was I supposed to do it like this? Oops. I don't know which way I was supposed to go now. I think I just messed that one up. Oh, there we go. And then I'm going to leave that as is so that I can clean it with a baby wipe. You see how it gets so inky? I got to be careful so that I don't dirty. So hello, and then I can write my little note to whoever I'm sending this to. So isn't that cute? I really love how that came out. I can always add a little something in the back if I want to. Maybe another one of my decorative Polaroids, or just like a little tag or something. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that as is. So let's go ahead and do the rest. guys, and there you have it. All my 3 cards are finished. So here is the third one. And then that's what that looks like. And I added the little flower stamp and the hello stamp, and then I can just write the little message. And then here's the other one. This is the pink one. And then this is the hello. I think I'm gonna have to like try to redo it, but no, I'm not even gonna attempt it. I'm just gonna leave it as is. That's what that looks like. Again, everything was mostly using InLoveArtShop dies. And that's what that looks like. I love the Polaroids, and then it has the little hello, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So then the next thing you can do to make it look really pretty and, you know, give it that Hallmark feel kind of card, just put it in some cute little packaging. Oh, let's do it the other way. Let's turn it over. After you write your little notes, put it in some cute packaging. I actually have these from my daughter's cotillion invitations. I had a lot extra, so I was like, yes, bonus. And just pop that on there. And then look at how cute that is once it's wrapped up. We'll go ahead and do one more. So I think this one I have to fit in sideways, and I just have to be careful with the lace. I fit it in earlier. There we go. Carefully, carefully, so it doesn't mess up. There we go. Look at how cute that is once it's in a package. And after I fill them in, I can send them out. And there you have it, you guys. 3 different types of little Valentine's Day cards in my own way. Again, this is just kind of how I felt, you know, I could do it an easy way. And if you guys liked it, then go ahead and make some for yourself. I'm sure your friends and family and loved one would absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to check out InLoveArts. All links will be down below. As always, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new. I would love to have you be a part of my planner family. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!